A for arugula. A for acorn squash. B for bell pepper. B for beetroot. C for chard. C for celery. D for dandelion greens. D for drumstick. E for endive. E for escarole. F for French sorrel. F for flat beans. G for ginger root. G for green onion. H for hop shoots. H for Hungarian green pepper. I for Italian basil. I for Indian mustard. J for Jerusalem artichoke. J for jalapeno pepper. K for komatsuna. K for kabocha squash. L for lima bean. L for lotus root. M for mustard greens. M for Malabar spinach. N for nori. N for navel carrot. O for oyster plant. O for oregano. P for potato. P for portobello mushroom. P for parsnip. Q for Queen Anne's lace. R for rapini. R for Romanesco. S for shallot. S for snow pea. T for taro root. T for Thai basil. U for Umatilla russet potato. U for urid bean. V for Valencia peanut. V for Vietnamese coriander. W for wasabi root. W for winged bean. X for shallot. X for cilantro. Y for yard-long bean. E for Yukon gold potato. Z for sapalito squash. Z for zebra eggplant.
Hi kids, we hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.